The Sig Sauer P320 is epic because it opens the door to get a striker-fired pistol with the quality and reliability that the Sig Sauer name is known for. It offers a smooth, short trigger pull and reset. Disassembly is done without tools and safely without having to pull the trigger. The serialized stainless steel frame allows you to change everything as easily as changing your clothes. You can go from a full-size pistol to a subcompact to carry, and you can feed it different calibers. You can feed it a 9mm, you can feed it 357 SIG, change it to 40 Smith & Wesson, or 45 ACP. Oh my gosh, how sweet is that? This is like a girl's best friend.